Use the formula pH equals negative log of H sub 3 O positive to answer the following. Find the pH of a grapefruit that has a hydronium ion concentration, which is the H3O positive, of 6.3 times 10 to the negative fourth. So in part A, if the hydronium ion concentration is 6.3 times 10 to the negative fourth, then to change that into pH, all we need to do is calculate the negative common logarithm of that value. So 6.3 times 10 to the negative fourth. And the calculator can do this for us just fine. So I'll bring that up and we'll do the common log. Oh, there's a negative there, sorry. Negative common log of 6.3 times 10 raised to the negative fourth power. And we can just put that all in the parentheses for the logarithm, and that's perfectly fine. So to one decimal place we'll use here, 3.2. So the pH here is 3.2. All right, for part B, find the hydronium ion concentration in a bottle of soda that has a pH of 4.3. So what we know here is that the pH level in this case is 4.3, and what we want to find is the hydronium ion concentration. Well, from our formula, the pH, 4.3, is equal to the negative common log of that hydronium ion concentration. So what we need to do is solve this logarithmic equation for the argument. First thing we can do is just divide or multiply both sides by a negative. So that would give me negative 4.3 equals the common log of the value that we're looking for. And because there's no base written in, it's understood that the base of this logarithm is 10. So we'll change this logarithm because the value we're looking for is the argument of the logarithm. We need to switch over into exponential form. So in exponential form, our base is 10. The exponent is the result of the logarithm. And then that's equal to the argument, which is the value that we're looking for. So at this point, all we need to do is just take 10 raised to the negative 4.3 power, and that will give us our answer. Now do be careful not to use the scientific notation the calculator uses, but switch that into standard scientific notation, which would look like 5.01 times 10 to the negative fifth power. And that's opposed to just writing 5.01 e minus 5. So the e in the calculator just means times 10 raised to the value that shows up afterward. And there's our final answer.